Star by Medusa The Dollmaker in 30 by 42 cm rounds. Special treatment version 1 starts with electric diamonds that we have used to fill in the star that she has on her hair. So simply follow the star shape and place your electric diamonds on there to really give this a nice glisten. Flower Star by Medusa The Dollmaker in 30 by 42 cm rounds, special treatment version 2 now adds Magenta Crystals that we have placed on the darkest peach areas of her hair. So if you want to add a lot of sparkle, then this is the way to go. You can also choose to just use half or a quarter or a small portion of your special treatment beads. It's really up to you how you would like to conduct your own special treatment so you can create something that is truly unique and your own. But this basically is what you get with version 2 for this size for Magenta Crystals. And once again, we have placed it on the darkest peach areas. So we don't place it on this area over here or on the highlights. So we place it on the dark peach areas by sprinkling it and giving this a lot of bling. Flower Star by Medusa The Dollmaker in 30 by 42 cm rounds. Special treatment version 3 now adds Lilac Crystals that we have sprinkled on the purple areas of the picture. So that would be mainly on this area over here as well as over here. So once again, for version 3 of Flower Star by Medusa The Dollmaker, we have electric diamonds for the star on her forehead, magenta crystals for her hair, and lilac crystals for the purple areas.